Guys, this is the 4th episode of our Small Habits for Self-Improvement series. So if you're new to watching our show, Tina and I are just so serious about improving our health and fitness this year. And there's a book called Atomic Habits that we've been reading to pull principles from to do it.
Can we start over? Can we start over, please?
Which part?
Just start from the top.
Yeah. Which part did you want me to change?
Just start from the top.
Hey guys, this is the 4th episode in our Small Habits for Self-Improvement series. So if you're new to watching our show, Tina and I are really serious this year about improving our health and fitness. We're using principles from the book Atomic.
Can we start over?
This is the 4th episode in our Small Habits for Self-Improvement series. So, if you're new to watching our show, Tina and I are so serious.
Yes, we are.
We're trying to improve our health and fitness this year, so we're using principles from the book Atomic Habits to do it. The book's basic premise is changing your habits for the better, even if just by 1%, because it'll compound into remarkable results. Of course, you got to be able to stick with them too.
Yeah, you do. Well, in episode 3, we shared how practicing these 4 laws are helping us. Do you remember what they are?
I do. It's written right there.
Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. But let's say at this point you're 12 weeks in, which is kind of where I'm at, in this journey, and you're having some challenges in the areas you want to see change. It's possible you're trying to change in the wrong way.
Yeah, I've been there, done that too. So most of us feel the best way to achieve what we want, getting in shape, building a business, spending more time with family, is to set specific, actionable goals, right? But then we got to muster up enough inspiration and willpower to make it happen every day. I don't even know what muster is, let alone where to buy it.
Well, some days you just don't have anything to muster up.
Well, turns out the trick isn't having extra willpower, but rather creating an environment or system that sets you up to make right choices more easily. So let's just say you're a coach and your goal might be to win a championship, but your system is the way you recruit players, manage your coaches, and conduct practice. Yep. Sometimes it's just tiny improvements that makes it work. But let's say you're an entrepreneur. Your goal might be to build $1 million business, but your system includes how you test product ideas, hire employees, and run marketing campaigns.
I mean, goals are really good for setting direction. They have pushed me forward for sure, but goals are for the short term. I'm learning how systems are best for making long-term progress.
Right. Well, having the right system is what matters, and committing to the process is what makes the difference. We show up at the gym, even if we're not ready to give it 100%. I declutter my desk for better workflow, or we develop a time of prayer and meditation to reduce stress and commune with the Lord. Search for a tiny margin of improvement in whatever you do. Focus on what you can. That's what we do, to change every single day instead of trying to transform overnight into a completely different person.
Yeah.
So listen, thanks for following along with us.
Yes.
We appreciate you guys telling your friends and neighbors about the Keil team when they're looking to buy or sell.
Yeah, we're so grateful, and we love serving them. We truly do. So thanks for watching our show. We're Mike and Tina Keil.
This is our show about enjoying life at home. Here.
What did you do?
It's mustard.
No.
I found it at the store.
Oh, this is how you muster up?
Oh, this is how you muster up. That's hot sauce.
Oh,
Here.
silly.
We'll see you. Thanks for coming.
Really? Really? Sometimes your jokes just fall so flat, babe. Really flat. Today was a flat day.
Yeah, well, I can say a few things.
How do you enjoy life at home?
Share your stories, tips, and pictures with us.
Email us at tina@tinakeil.com.
And if you or anyone you know is even thinking of buying or selling a home,
We would love to help.
until next time,
We're the Keil team.
We deliver results.
That move you.
The Keil team is with Keller Williams Realty.
615-778-1818.